Can we uninstall games from Microsoft Store on PC? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see if we can uninstall games from Microsoft Store on PC or not. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Microsoft Store in your device. After you open it up, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. There is this library option, click on it. Now under this library option, you will find all of the applications or the games that you have installed it in your device. Now if you navigate to this three dot icon next to that application, here you don't have any option to uninstall the application or the games. So that means we cannot uninstall application or games from the Microsoft stores. But in order to uninstall the games or the application, we have to go to the settings in your PC. So open up settings in your device. Under your settings, navigate to your left hand side and from this menu bar, click on apps. Under apps, you have to click on installed apps. And under this section, you will find all of your application or games that you have installed. Select the games that you want to uninstall and then click on the three dot icon right here. Then click on uninstall. After that, the games will be uninstalled from your device or PC. So that is the only way to uninstall games or application from PC, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.